Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like Google Play Store or your browser in XIAOMI 12S Ultra. So to do this, first let's try to download something from a Google Play Store. Here we have, for example, this game right here. If we try to install it, it's stuck in a pending mode, so the download will never begin. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. Google Chrome. Here, if we refresh already open website, it doesn't work, and the same is if we try to open any new one. So let's go for YouTube. Yep, it's also broken. And to fix this problem, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here you can see date and time. Enable set time automatically. Now all of the issues should be gone, so we can open a Google Play Store and install the game. Download will begin normally. And the same is with Google Chrome, so websites now are fully functional. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.